Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel. We love hot stuff. Today, as you can see, we've got Devin back, and yeah, we're gonna do something we saw. They did the Jagermeister with the mayonnaise, and they
Smoker's
call
cough.
it,
Smoker's cough.
yeah, they call it the smoker's cough. And I asked Devin to join me, and yeah, I think we're gonna do the Reaper cough. Guys, listen here. I just want to say welcome to all the new subscribers and to all of you that subscribe. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all of you. And please subscribe, join my channel, and help my channel to grow. Share my videos, like my videos. And my bird is extremely happy because I think he also knows that we are going to have a bit of a pain here doing the Reaper cough. We've got the Jagermeister. We're going to do the Jagermeister not with mayonnaise, but with We Love Hot Stuff, Carolina Reaper sauce,